finding a position that will best support you today. Taking your time to make yourself comfortable. Using pillows, blankets, and perhaps cocooning yourself up and making a nice little nest that'll support you today. And as you move through your practice, if your body calls you to readjust, that's okay. Finding another place of comfort. Starting to notice how you're arriving and perhaps allowing the events that have happened today to start to melt away. The busyness and the doing. None of that's needed right now. Welcoming yourself to your practice, this time you've set aside today. There's nothing you need to do, simply allowing yourself to be here. There's no one you need to be. Arriving just as you are. And if you find the mind is busy, which is completely normal, you might begin by inviting 3 deep breaths and allowing each breath to gather your attention into the space. With each inhale, taking in 2 sips of air, inhaling and then another, and a slow exhale through the mouth. Taking 2 sips of air in, inhaling, and again, and a slow exhale through the mouth. And one more time, 2 sips of air as you inhale in, and a slow releasing exhale through the mouth. Sending a message to your nervous system that it's okay to rest. It's okay to relax. Allowing your breath to fall back into its natural rhythm now. And if it's comfortable, you might like to gently close your eyelids. It's okay to keep them slightly open if you prefer. Just pausing for a moment as you begin to open up the senses. Allowing yourself to arrive. You might like to invite in an intention for your practice. Something that deeply resonates with you. It might be, I am deeply resting now. My body is at ease. I am deeply resting now. My body is at ease. You might like to whisper your intention to yourself, allowing it to wash over and through you. As you bring your awareness now to the surface beneath your body, the chair, the mat, the pillow. Notice how gravity is holding you. Perhaps like a warm hug. And your body can rest back into the surface, noticing the connection points. Aware of the blanket, your clothes touching your skin, the different textures. The temperature of the air as it gently brushes past your hands, your face. Aware of distant sound outside of the room. Traffic passing, nature sounds, close-in sounds inside the room, the sound of my voice, the sound of your breath. These sounds arrive on their own. There's nothing you need to do. No effort required. And if you find your mind is pulled back into thinking, planning, worrying, scheduling, you might like to use sound as your anchor, your home base, gently guiding your awareness back here. You might notice a subtle fragrance in the air. As your senses begin to awaken, as you move your awareness inside your mouth, there may be a lingering taste. And as you gently swallow, simply being aware of the sensations inside your mouth. When you're ready, moving your awareness to the very top of your head. Noticing your scalp and hair. Traveling to the center of your forehead. aware of your right eyebrow, your left eyebrow, both of your eyes as they gently rest in their sockets. Your right ear and left ear. Travelling down your nose to the very tip. Arriving at your right cheek and your left cheek. Your lips, teeth, gums and tongue. Noticing your chin. Pausing for a moment. If you notice any areas of tightness or holding on, you might allow a gentle breath to travel in that space, creating an openness. And with each exhalation, you might let go. The jaw can drop. The eyes resting. Your whole face calm and ease. Arriving now at both shoulders. Moving to both elbows, wrists, the tops of your hands and the palms of both hands. You might allow both hands to gently open. Perhaps there's a swirling and tingling sensation in both palms. Aware of both thumbs, forefinger, middle fingers, ring finger, and little fingers. Both arms. Arriving now in the center of your chest, in your heart space. Traveling to the solar plexus, all the way down to both hips. Traveling to both knees the ankles, the tops of both feet, the soles of both feet. You might notice a warmth and tingling in both feet. The big toes, second toe, third, fourth toes, and little toes. Aware of your body in this space. If it calls you to move, please do so, readjusting your position. If you notice areas of tension, discomfort, pain, tightness, you might allow your breath to gently sit alongside what's calling you. Allow each inhale and exhale to invite space and openness, a gentleness. And with each exhale, letting go. No need to hold on to anything here. It's okay to rest. As you bring your awareness back to your forehead, you might visualize with each inhale warm liquid water traveling over the body. You might notice color, sensation, as this warm water travels slowly down towards the ears, as you notice this warm sensation, continuing down the body, arriving at the shoulders, this warm liquid as it travels inviting in ease, a releasing and a dissolving as it travels down your back, your upper back, middle back, arriving at your lower back. And this warm sensation wrapping around you, cocooning you. Travelling down both arms, this warm liquid arriving at both hands. Moving now to your chest and relaxing back into this warm liquid, perhaps allowing it to hold you. Moving into the belly, the pelvic area, the buttocks, travelling down the legs. This warm liquid embracing you, travelling down the thighs, the knees, the calves and shins, both ankles and feet. As it travels down your body, dissolving any tightness or stiffness, softening all the muscles, tendons, bones. And this warm liquid water continues out through your feet, this very subtle flow of energy, nurturing every cell in your body. Perhaps as it moves, restoring, calming, a gentle flow. Visualizing any residual stress melting away, dissolving and disappearing. You might like to rest now in this space. For these next few moments, natural and effortless, unfolding in your body. Resting now. When you're ready, bringing your awareness to your body, noticing any sensations, emotions, or thoughts that may be there. And as that warm liquid water continues its nurturing flow over your body, releasing into the earth, carrying with it tension, tightness, pain, discomfort, busyness. Perhaps there's an awareness of space. Space inside and outside of the body. Reconnecting with your breath. Noticing the inhale and exhale. Aware of the surface beneath your body. Opening up to the sounds inside the room. You might allow some gentle movement. Stretching the fingers or the toes, the arms or the legs. And if it's comfortable, giving yourself a warm hug, placing both arms around your body as far as comfortable. Taking a breath here, aware of the warmth from your hands. Inviting this embrace, this loving gesture to you. Breathing in, breathing out. And when you're ready, you might allow the hands to come back, resting in your lap. Opening up to sounds inside the room. allowing the eyes to gently open. As they begin to ground back into the space, noticing different colour and shape. As you take your time,